A question I'm getting a lot these days from my buyer clients is whether it might be better to wait until the air clears about mortgage deferrals and the end of CERB payments. Today I'm going to give a quick summary about the news surrounding mortgage deferrals in order to help people come to a better decision about timing for buying. As of the end of June, some 760,000 Canadians, or about 16% of all mortgage holders, had taken advantage of mortgage deferral options. And in May of this year, CMHC reported that Ontario accounted for 21% of all mortgage deferrals, which was the third highest provincial rate after Alberta and Quebec. Fast forward to late August, the CMHC president announced that 11% of Canadian household mortgages were in deferral and that Ontario's proportion had fallen to 10.1%. So Canada-wide rates of deferrals have fallen, and provincially, Ontario makes up a much smaller chunk of the total number of deferrals, despite having by far the largest provincial population in the country. Various other lenders and insurers have reported an overall decline to about 1/3 of the total number of deferrals from peak levels, with many existing clients resuming payments after using less than the granted 6 months of deferrals. Genworth, which is another residential mortgage insurer, said that it expects the vast majority of deferrals will end with borrowers resuming their regularly scheduled payments. And lenders like Bank of Montreal and Scotiabank have noted that 90% of commercial loans that had deferred are now making normal payments, and they report similar numbers on the consumer side of things as well. So overall, it appears that deferrals are largely on the decline, although there is still time for rates to increase as CERB payments were recently extended by another 4 weeks. Now, all that being said, reports from some of the big lenders have stated that they are setting aside larger loss provisions and are possibly anticipating 1 to 5% of deferred mortgages to become delinquent. Right now, the freehold market conditions are in extreme favor of sellers, and if there are some that would be forced to sell due to not being able to make mortgage payments, they'd be entering a market where they likely would get great money for their property. Any additional inventory to the market would bring some relief to buyers, which would be welcome because competition is fierce out there. But I'm not sure that it would be enough to swing current dynamics into even a balanced market for buyers and sellers. I'm Jamie Harnish, Toronto Real Estate Navigator with Bosley Real Estate. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate you watching, and I hope to see you again. Take care.